Hi everyone. So I'm here to show you guys how I did my uh, visitor record application. So here we have UCI, which is you can put it there. It's optional, but I would say it's better to put it there. Agent who is looking at your file can get all the information easily, so it will be processed easily. Then the language. So restore my status as a visitor. This is somewhere you will be confused about because of the should I put it as a like if you are already a visitor and you are extending it, you should go with this. But as I had a work permit, getting the work permit refusal, I want to restore as a visitor. So I went with this. Then the name, any nickname, no. Then you have the general details, male, date of birth, the place. I'm not gonna explain too much on the general part here. So here you can put the passport information. This is like an optional again, but it's better if you put it there. No, not a permanent resident or a green card holder. Then your mailing address, residence address is same as the mailing address, so yes. Then telephone, yes, or Canada. Then you can put the email address here. So this is really important. So check your passport and your study permit. Exactly when did you come into Canada? For what purpose? So this is you went for a trip or journey to another country or your home country. When did you re-enter Canada? The last visit, only the last visit should be mentioned here. And this is a document where the last document you had. If applicable, provide the document number of most recent visitor record, study permit, work permit. So the last document, work permit number, document number is mentioned here. Then this is the part they're asking why you want to stay. So my options were not mentioned here, so other, and briefly mentioned the need to stay. So I'm saying I need more time to move back, have some things to check out and clear here before I move back. This is a brief mention, but I have a cover letter which will explain the situation more, how much time you need, how much money you have in your account or in your personal. Mostly they will only look into what's shown on your bank account, so you should take a statement from your bank. Here you can put you have your money with you, or you will be supported by your parents or someone else like friends. Here I'm saying I have the money myself. We just have to give some information about a person or an institution that you are in contact with. So I put my friend's name here and his address. This is general information again. Where did you study? And currently are you working? So I'm not currently working. I have put not applicable. Then you have the previous activity here. These are like medical information. No, no. This is an important part. Have you stayed beyond your validity? No. I was in my 90 days period to apply for or restore my status. I still put no because I still had that 90-day period. Then, have you ever been refused? Yes, my work permit was refused. That's why I'm applying for the visitor record. If you have applied for the work permit extension, then you have applied for the remain in Canada. So yes, and briefly explaining how what all things you applied, what all things denied, the date, the better. Or have you been arrested or committed an offense? No. And again, any relation with military? No. Political parties, criminal activity? No, no. Do you consent to be contacted by CIC? Yes. Here, you don't need to put anything. Date and then validate. To validating, you will have this one's checked out, and you will usually get a barcode. That's all here, and then you should be giving them a cover letter that explains your situation more. This is a sample letter to mention how much money you have, your monthly expense, and also attach any supporting documents like the bank statement, which is really important.